Dear students, now this is a very nice experiment. You see, this part is water filled and there is one tube, the yellow colored tube, it goes up to the top. That means if I pour water here, the water will directly come to the lower bottle. And there is another blue tube. If I just turn it over, then what happens? This water will come down through this blue tube to this. And you see, this water is coming through the blue tube. And there is an orange tube. I will explain it. What is its function? Let us wait a little bit. Now, again I turn it over. How much you have understood? You have understood that if I pour water through this yellow tube, water will come down here, and there is a blue tube. If I turn it over, this water will come to this middle bottle, and there is another orange tube which is connected to the top, and there is a nozzle here, so that something will happen. Now let us see what happens. The approximate figure I have put on the board. I just put little bit of water. Now you see what a beautiful thing is happening now. A fountain has started. A fountain has started. That means this water is coming down, and somehow this water is coming. From where it is coming? From this orange tube. How it is happening? That as soon as I put some water, that water comes over here, and through this blue tube, the air of this bottle is coming to the upper bottle, to the blue tube, and then air pressure increases here, and that air pressure pushes through this orange tube, this water on this middle bottle, this coming up, making a fountain. So long this water will be above this orange tube, it will continue to give it. And how do you understand that there is a higher pressure over here? Unless there is a higher pressure, this water cannot go beyond it. So this we will understand when it will come at the end, some extra air will suddenly go up with some water. Let us see whether it happens or not. It is almost at the end. Now see that some air has come out. You cannot hear that, there is a sound. Some air has come out. So this is called Heron's fountain. Heron was someone who was first built this type of fountain. There are many modifications. If you go to the YouTube, you will find that. But I found this is very convenient. So thank you very much. And from this here, you can see all the tubes I have given. So from that tube you can draw it and do it yourself and make a Heron's fountain. And more bigger will be these bottles. You can use big jars. Then it will continue for a long time. But for this experiment, this is okay. Thank you.